Guys, today I am going to make some sandwiches for my mama, brother and my dad. My daddy don't like sandwiches, so I'm going to only make for mama, my brother and my dad. So let's start. For doing this, you need this bread, sauce, tomato sauce, red chili, onion. Okay, I made this, so let's cut more. And for its cheeks, okay, like here, okay. Chin is very important. Okay. And what I should make next? I need another here. Mama, eat onion?
Yeah.
You can cut in center now because you.
Take precaution, your hand should not cut.
So we have this one. So we will cut that later. Okay. This much is not good for us. So let's cut one more. We need more here, guys. We just need. We need lot of. Actually, this is my. When I was at a time, my mommy was not feeling good at that time. One day, my mommy was not feeling good at that time. One day. That she was very hungry. I was making this for her.
Thank you, Beta, for that. I remember you made 2 sandwiches for me. I was very hungry at that time.
That one is done. Let's take this one. You kids know when we are doing cutting of it, means we are crying. If we are cutting it, all the means something is coming to my eyes and I am crying. See.
Oh, you are crying. Very good. I also cry.
Very dangerous. I love very strong. That should be enough, mommy. So some I can put in yours. So have you done all this?
Yes.
Spread it.
That much? Oh no.
You will be feeling.
That but it's
Done, mommy.
yes.
Another bread. My eyes are off it. We need the same size. Done. So we need sandwich maker. Okay. My drawing is going off here. Next I'm going to make for my dad. Again I will start frying because these are. I'm making mine more better. Dad, here, Mama, is my dad like onion?
Yes, your dad.
Did he like butter?
Yeah, but put less butter. You can.
Wait, don't be in a hurry. I need another. What did it give me? So in the other bread, I can add this.
What you are applying, beta? This is what?
Butter.
Do you like butter or not?
I like butter too much.
Okay. Don't give much more butter to your dad.
Mommy like butter.
He likes butter.
Yeah, this is a nice butter. When you will eat now, it will feel very soft. One day I tried it, was very soft. I think that should be enough. No, this is very much. So kids, now what should we put? Does daddy like sauce?
Yes.
Yeah, he must have it. So, he's my dad, he likes sauces. Is he like red chili?
No, he's just like you. He don't like chili.
He's just what? Or let's make a next one. Now we can spread. This is just like a jam. Right kids? This is just like a jam. We're not adding something in the front side. But guys, do not be panic. So we have to put which one here. So okay. So this is also done. So let's keep the chili here. And just keep it right over here. Guys, mommy don't see. The seeing is very important. So we did this. So it is very tight. If it is so now we need to open it. So guys, just see. Come here. Come very closer. Come and see this. Let's see how much.
What is this?
This is these two. Don't touch it. If it is selling red, don't touch it. Your hand will burn.
Okay, then when you will open this?
When it will turn to green, and it is not green right now. By mistake, this bottom, your hand will burn. So guys, come now. Don't to be panic. I'm just telling you. Come closer and see this. See that. If you touch that, you know what will happen. If your mom and dad, nothing can be like that. So just keep this in the freezer. So I'm going to keep this in the freezer. So good. It is about to be melted, guys. So let it to be even fresh. If I did good, my mommy and my
Now keep it.
when that will be. Oh, guys, see what happened. We will eat that later, but see, wait it for some time. If it is on, just wait 2 more. 10.
Count 10.
Backward counting from 10. Very slowly. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Close it. So guys, see, it is very hot.
Wait, let me give.
Thanks for giving this. Kids, do you know this is my favorite spoon? A fork and a spoon. Actually, kids, it was going to
Cut into 4 pieces. Put your hand here. Put your hand. It is done.
Just done. So let's go and bring it to my dad. Okay?
एक मिनट. अच्छा.
In the next video.